I'm going to show you a few new things because we do have some new things on the store. Of course, we have our curriculum, our planners, our bundles, but we have some new products that you might not have ever seen before. So I'm excited to finally show you. We have our calendar here that is available on the site today. I know people have been waiting for this for a long time. Nathaniel finally finished all 12. And so we have this beautiful Wondergarten calendar. It features a nice little intro and of course all of Nathaniel's beautiful monthly boards. We have spaces here for stickers. We also have a calendar sticker pack so you can choose which week is which. Of course, after this live stream, you'll feel very confident as to where you'll be putting those stickers, right? And it is just a beautiful, we have some song lyrics, we have notes for where you can turn your star. And then at the end here, we have these really cool pages that show, it's kind of like a catalog of all of the art that Nathaniel has done, which is really cool. You get to see a little bit more about the size and scale and titles of all of these. So this beautiful Wondergarten calendar featuring all of Nathaniel's art is available on the site today, of course on sale. Super excited. And then some other fun things. We have magnets. So we have these wonderful little weekly magnets. Yay, so this can go on a fridge or a magnetic chalkboard or a whiteboard to kind of signal what week you're on, or to just be fun for magnets. So we have our 12 autumn themes. We also have the 3 daily theme magnets as well. So if you're keeping track of if it's baking day, painting day, living arts day, and I don't have samples here in my hands, but we also have a little Wondergarten set where we have a star and we have each of the gnomes. So that one's really fun too. So check out the magnets. Some other fun things that I don't quite have in my hands yet, but are available on the site is our recipe cards. We have autumn recipe cards and a custom recipe card box, which is really cool. It's a beautiful wooden box and the top has a little like holder for your cards, so it's really functional. We have a custom puppet display box as well. So we just have a ton of wonderful new things on the site that we had so much fun bringing together and getting out there for you. So lots of exciting things, lots of excitement for the calendar and the recipe cards. I'm excited as well to finally get those on. So take your time browsing through the site. We also have a Hamilton tote. He's finally joined the tote collection, and lots of other things. So another announcement while this back to school sale is going, that this is an important one because it is a little bit of a change for the next coming season. This sale, so through the end of Sunday, is your last chance to get a complimentary digital copy of your curriculum when you buy a physical book. So up until now, anytime you bought a hardcover or softcover, you got that digital copy included for free. That's something we've done up until now, but with some recent things happening with our business and certain things getting stolen and distributed without our permission, we're kind of going to be starting to tighten those things up. So we will still, of course, be selling our digital copies on their own. Those will remain available at those same prices. And of course, we will still be selling our physical books, the hardcover and softcover. But after this back to school sale, the physical books will no longer come with that complimentary digital. However, if you do still want that bundle, we'll be offering a discounted bundle option if you would like to add on that digital to your physical copy. But this is your last chance to get that included. So if you're thinking ahead for maybe some future seasons, this is going to be your last chance to do that, because after this sale ends, moving forward, those will no longer be a complimentary included thing, but will be available separately. All right, so some questions there. Yes, for the recipe cards, they do all include gluten-free, dairy-free. All of those adaptations are right within that collection. So if you are an allergen family or need those adaptations, you don't have to buy a separate thing. Those are all included there for you. And right now we only have the autumn set, but you can look forward to those seasonal sets releasing throughout the year. Same with the magnets. So right now we have our autumn magnets and our autumn recipe cards. Those are available now. And our winter recipe cards and winter magnets will be available on Black Friday. Our spring collections will be available in February for our spring ahead sale, and summer for around our May Day sale. So those we can look forward to releasing throughout the year this year. The recipe card box is sized to fit all 4 seasons of recipes cards packs. So just so you know. And we also have blank cards too if you want to get your own and write your own. So lots of fun things there. And we've been seeing a lot of questions regarding what's included in kit boxes and what supplies you need. I'm gonna be going over that today as I kind of talk you through your autumn planning, what you're gonna need, what's included in the boxes, what is not. And then after this, I'm going to put together some resources, free resources in community that will pull some of these supply lists out of the book and have them handy in the community, because I know sometimes you're landing in community before you've gotten your book in your hands. And of course, when there's a sale like today, you wanna know what you need before you actually have your book, because you're buying them all at the same time. So I will be adding some of those resources on the app here later, but I'll also be talking you through it. That's what autumn planning is all about. I get to answer all your questions and make sure you are confident in what is to come. So, back to school sale is on, new products is on, last chance to get a digital included with your hard copies. And then just general reminder, if you're shopping today or at any point, if you need any customer service, always make sure you are either messaging Wondergarten team directly, or even better, emailing info@wondergarten.net. So our amazing customer service team can take care of you really quickly. We do ask that customer service questions stay out of the chat box because it just delays their ability to get you taken care of and look up your order. We have the best customer service team. Big shout out to Jamie and Claire, who are really helping you guys with any problems that arise. They are just absolutely wonderful. And I'm sure a lot of you have already enjoyed their wonderful help today. So huge shout out to them. They are incredible. They will get you taken care of, but they can do that more quickly if you message them directly. So just a note, as we have lots happening today with the sale and lots happening this week, they'll be very busy, but ready to assist you in anything you need. Now, a few other notes for product related things, as we have a sale and lots of new things, but we also still have some restocks of things that I know you all are curious about. So we just wanted to remind you for what's coming, what's not available quite yet, but things that are already in the works. I know lots of you have asked about mugs restocks. That is in the works and will hopefully be soon. We just heard back that it looks like that order is wrapping up, so TBD, but those are in the works and those will be restocked at a little higher quantities than last time. So we're really hoping that everyone who wants one of those mugs can get one. And puppets are also in the works, but again, the puppets and the mugs are those really handmade items that take a little while. We're hoping that puppets will be restocked in November for Black Friday. And then Yoto, we are as eager as you all are. I know we get lots of Yoto questions. When will the cards be restocked? I have no idea, because that is all handled by Yoto. So that has been submitted for our 4 seasonal song cards. Autumn, winter, spring, and summer will be restocked at some point on not only the US Yoto store, but the Canada and UK Yoto store as well this time. We're so excited to be expanding to those 2 additional territories so that those can get to even more of you. So Yoto's in the works, mugs, puppets, all of those are in the works. Keep an eye out here in community for announcements, and also be sure to sign up for our newsletter. That is another fantastic way to stay in the loop. All right, so lots of good product announcements. Hopefully that covers all of the necessary things. I still have lots to yap at you about before we dive into this book, as again, this is my best way to talk to you all. So I want to, I see one little question on Yoto that I do want to answer. Thank you. Will the podcast be available on Yoto this fall? Yes, so another exciting Yoto announcement is, as of September next month, we will be an official Yoto podcast partner. Yay! So the Gnomes of Wondergarten will be officially streamed through the Yoto podcast system. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but if you are a Yoto user, it'll be easier to find the Gnomes of Wondergarten through your Yoto player and stream that, so you don't have to copy the RSS feed and all of that. Eventually, we do also hope to get our stories on Yoto cards, but that is for another time. We are still just working on getting these last few stories wrapped up. So as of next month, yay, Yoto partner podcast, woohoo! Yay, song cards, woohoo.